Many people of nowadays are using an inverter in their houses. But have you ever wondered how an inverter works? In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how an inverter works in a simple way. To make an inverter, you will need a 12-volt battery. This supplies DC power to the main circuit. Two IRF3205 MOSFET. This acts as an electronic switches, and also 12012 center tap transformer. This step up the voltage from 12 volts DC to 220 volts AC current. Here is how it works. A simple 12 volt DC to 220 volt AC inverter using two IRF3205 MOSFET works by switching the 12 volt battery voltage back and forth through a transformer. When MOSFET 1 turns on, current flows through one side of the transformer. Then when MOSFET 2 turns on, current flows through the other side. And this happens periodically, helping the transformer to increase the voltage from 12 volt to 220 volts, which is used to power laptop charger, phone charger, and other appliances. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.